Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Yes, good morning. Did you complete your yesterday's homework? Children, did you complete your yesterday's homework? Very good. Yes, very good, Hanvit. Manha also completed. Very good. Ketana is also showing. Nice. Sai Ritvik, you also. Okay, seen. Open and show me once, please. Sai Joshit, show me your homework. Very good, Sai Ritvik. Yes. Dhruti, okay, very good. Sai Joshit, okay, done. Very good. Rohit also completed. Very good. Next, everyone. Oh, Ashrita also have done. Arhan completed. And still, okay. Come on, let us go to the class. Let us start the class, today's class. Now we are going with the family topic, children. So, with the family, first, what is a family we have learned? Okay, Ronel, I have seen your homework. Good. Very good. Children, all of you sit straight, please, for some time. Very soon, we are going to complete this day's class also. Okay. Mm, we have learned about family, how to behave in the family, and today we are going to learn about types of family. What are the types of family? There are two types of family. You all know that. Children, listen carefully, because these all bits, I'll give you for your online test. So at that time, you should be ready to write the answer. Oh, yes, my teacher taught this. I'm ready to write this answer. Oh, this answer is correct. Exactly, this is the correct answer, and you should be very much confident enough to write your exam. Until and unless you will not listen the class with concentrate, children, with concentration, you cannot write your exam also confidently. Sai Ritvik, Sai Joshit, what is that? What pose you are giving to me? Put your pencil down. Very bad. So children, I'm going to show you on the screen what are the topics we are going to learn here. See. Today we are going to learn about types of family. Types of family we have completed yesterday. Like I told you, small family, big family. Did we read yesterday types of family? No, we have read yesterday. Small family, big family. In a small family, there are only father, mother, and children. One or two children. That is called a small family. Big family means we have father, mother, grandparents, uncle, aunt, siblings, all these live in the same house. That is called a big family. And also, we have learned how to share our work when we are living in the same family. Because all the works, can your mom alone she can complete? No. So you also need to help where she need your help. Okay? Due to network problem, children, the file is getting opened slowly. See here. So I told you people to help your parents in this way. By when they are cleaning the car, you have to help them along when they are cleaning their car. You can water the plants. You can clean your room by yourself. And also you can bathe on your own. What is meant by bathe? You people say bath. That is not bath. You should say bathe. That means you can take your shower on your own. Try to be like a grown up children. Try to do your work on your own. Be independent children. Okay? Why this is not getting open? Now, after doing all these things, we have fun with the family children. When we are living in a family, we are having fun also in the family. What is that fun? What is that fun, children? Enjoying each other, enjoying the festivals, enjoying the birthday parties, and also enjoying the trips. We go here and there with the family members. Yes or no? We go with them. We celebrate different festivals with our family members. We celebrate some special days like birthdays. We go out together for picnics. See here. Children, are you able to see the screen? Everyone, show me your thumbs up if you are able to see. Okay. Everyone. Fine. Manha, what you are doing? Sitting beautifully, huh? Ronald is boxing. Veda? Okay. So see, these are all the fun we do with our family. We play, we enjoy, we do cycling, and see this. We spend good times with our family members. We celebrate different festivals and special days such as birthdays with them. We go out together for picnics or to the zoo. Pradiksha, Are you listening to
ma'am.
the? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't sleep, huh? Okay, okay. You can wash your face and come if you are sleeping. We go out together for picnics or to the zoo. We also have fun at the fair. At the fair means it is like exhibition, children. Exhibition, we go to exhibition, no? That is like a fair. We have fun playing games together. We play badminton, we play shuttlecock, we do cycling at home. This kind of enjoyment we do at home, children. Okay? We have fun when we go out to eat out. Suppose if we are going to hotel, we enjoy that outing. We enjoy with our family because when we are at home, sometimes people, family members, everyone's eating time may not be same. You children will eat early. Your parents will work. Sai Joshi, don't play. Your parents will work. When they'll come back to home, by that time you might be sleeping. So, to eat all at a time on one table, sometimes we will plan to go for hotels, restaurants. In this way, we sit all together in one place and we have our dinner or lunch. Okay. When that time we enjoy a lot. We take our selfies, we enjoy the moment, and we save it as a memorable day or memorable time. When we go for shopping or visit relatives, we also have fun. For example, children, if we go to our relatives home, suppose we don't go simply to relatives home, we go there to attend some function or some parties. At that time also we enjoy with them. Yes or no? We enjoy in our relatives home or not? Yes, we enjoy. See here, your father is making you to learn how to do cycling. Your family has taken you for the zoo, and you are sitting on one table and all together having your dinner or lunch. And see, at home also, sometimes suppose cricket, most of them likes to see cricket at one place. Most of them have gatherings there. So at that time, or some your favorite movies you're watching, at that time all the family members sit in one place and enjoy the play. Now children, we will do few exercises. Everyone should be alert. Put on your videos and see what is there on the screen, children. Match the pictures with the ways of brushing your teeth. I observe many children, they don't brush their teeth properly. Learn how to brush your teeth. Arhan, sit in one place and learn. See how to brush your teeth. Rohit, just keep on observing, dear. Sai Joshit, you can also see the screen. See, there are 5 different pictures of brushing. Those are all in different ways. And here, 5 different points they have written. Nothing to do here. You should not write anything. Just listen here. First picture. They are brushing. How they are brushing? Front part of the teeth, children. No, they are not brushing front part. First picture is for back and forth. Next one, they are cleaning the tongue. Then up and down. And now they are cleaning the front part of the teeth. Oh, first one is up and down. By seeing the arrows, you can understand. Up and down. Then on the tongue. Then front part of the teeth. You can see the arrows and take the help of the arrows to know the sentence. And then the back and forth part of the teeth. And the last one, behind the teeth. See, you open your mouth and show me the front part of the teeth. The front part of the teeth, inside one will be the behind one. Yes. Very good. Yes, these are the smileys. Now children, I want to see the smileys on your face. If it is right, if the sentence is correct, you should smile. And if the sentence is not correct, then you should not smile. Okay? It should be like a sad smiley. All of you. Ah, Manha, you are giving exactly expressions. Oh, very nice. Advait, Ketana, I want to see everyone's expressions, children. Suryansh? Yes, everyone should give like that only expressions. Beautiful, Manha. Yes. If the sentence is correct, then you should have a smiley face. Hanvit, Ayan, Siddharth, Janvi, where are you all, my dear children? Ayansh? Yes. I brush my teeth once a day. So, smiley or sad? How will you do? Is it a smiley? No, it is not a smiley. It is a sad smiley. In this way. Because we have to brush our teeth twice a day. Next, Rumi does not bath every day. Is it a good? We should not take our bath every day. Say, is it a good thing? Children, you are not answering me. We should not take our bath every day. Yes or no? No, it is wrong. We should take our bath every day. Taking bath every day is a good habit. Now, especially, we have to take 2 times. Bathing also 2 times because it is a summer season. We are sweating a lot. Our body gets bad smell. So, to avoid from that bad smell, Advait Gujja, please sit properly. Don't come very near to the screen. So, when we are sweating, sometimes it smells bad. So, to avoid from the germs, we have to take our bath twice a day. So, this is also a sad smiley. It is not good. Next, I flush the toilet after using it. Yes, will you do that? Yes, you will. So it is a smiley. Correct. Next, I wear clean clothes after bathing. You wear clean clothes or dirty clothes? Say clean or dirty clothes? Clean clothes, right. That is also a smiley. I wear dirty shoes while going to school. Will you wear dirty shoes? No, your parents will clean your shoes and make you to wear clean clothes. So, this is a sad smiley. Next, Vivan does not wash his hands before eating. Is it good? Before eating, do we wash our hands? Yes, we wash our hands. Before eating, we wash our hands. So, Vivan will not do that. Is it a good or bad? Bad. So, it is a sad smiley. Very good. Very good, Ritvik. Next, I leave the toilet unclean. Will you clean the toilet and come back? Or will you leave dirty and come back? Is it a smiley or sad smiley? No, it is a sad smiley. We have to clean the toilet and come back. We have to flush it. Okay? These were like good habits and bad habits, children. And see here. Here is what Roshni does every morning. Not only Roshni, instead of Roshni, you people can imagine yourself. What you do early in the morning. Order the pictures with numbers in the correct sequence. So, first you brush your teeth. The third picture will be the first one, children. After brushing your teeth, you will take your bath. That is the last picture. Third picture is number 1. Last picture is number 2. And after taking your bath, you will comb your hair. Okay, children? After taking your bath, you people will comb your hair. After combing, what you'll do? You'll get ready to school. If suppose, children, I ask you to come to school tomorrow, are you ready to come to school? Say yes or no. Oh, you are ready to come? But I will not call you, children. Don't worry that. This is a very critical situation where I cannot call you out of the home. You are ready to come. That is really very good for me. Very good to listen to me. See here. How you should maintain your postures when you are standing, when you are sitting, and when you are walking. Very important information, children. These are the postures. You have to manage yourself when you are sitting, standing, and walking. See, when you are sitting, you should not bend like this. The second picture of the girl, you should sit in that way. That is the correct posture. Your back should be straight. Now, when you are walking, you see, you should not bend your back. Your back should be straight. And when you are standing also, all the first pictures are wrong and the second pictures are correct, children. See this, and whenever you are sitting, standing, walking, you should not bend your body. It should be straight. Now, these fill in the blanks will be going to be your homework, children. Either you can click or I will send it as a worksheet. Okay, I will send it as a worksheet to you. I will read it for you, children, once. Regular exercise keeps us dash and happy. Regular exercise keeps us healthy. So from the hint box, you have to select the word healthy and you have to write in the fill in the blank first one. Okay. Next. Don't write, children. This I will give you as a homework. I'll send this worksheet to you. You don't know, you don't want to write now. You can just see what I'm reading. Second one, B, small b sentence I'm reading. Regular dash practice keeps us healthy. Regular yoga. Regular yoga practice keeps us healthy. C sentence. We must sleep at least 8 hours every day. How many hours we should sleep every day? 8 hours. At what time you people will go to bed, children? Night 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock? I know most of the children are not sleeping at 9 o'clock. Am I right, children? Most of the children will not sleep at 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Yes, I know, Siddharth, you will not sleep till 12 o'clock. You are troubling your parents at home. So now fourth sentence, D. Every day I go for swimming. We should always be dash and friendly. We should always be cheerful. Always our face should have a nice beautiful smiley on your face. Then you people will look beautiful. Okay? Children, last bit. Tell me what is the first picture? Big family or small family? It is a picture of small family. And the second picture, that is called joint family. See, number of people are there in that family. That is grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, mama, daddy, children, siblings, everyone are there in that family. Okay. So now I want to ask few doubts, clear my few doubts and ask you few questions. Come on.